Hey, what's up?
Hello.
Can I draw you?
Sure.
Okay, just takes a few minutes. What's with the eyebrows?
I don't know. I did it with someone. And then they were like, ooh. Oh my gosh, my computer's about to die.
Uh-oh, here, let me show you.
Oh my gosh, whoa. That's really accurate.
Thanks.
Thank you. I love it.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. So I'm drawing people this morning for my TikTok. Would you be interested in a quick sketch?
Sure.
Okay, just takes a couple minutes. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Here it is.
Oh my god! That's so cute! This hat kind of makes me look like the Mad Hatter, not even gonna lie.
A little bit.
Yo, what's up, my man? Wait a minute, wait! Aren't you the guy who draws people?
I have to draw this.
Yeah, what pose do you want me to do? You want me to just do like a peace sign?
Why are you wearing this?
What? It's because I'm being like Steve Harrington, you know? So, hold on, I got you, man. There you go. It's because I'm being like Steve Harrington, and so a lot of people say I look like Joe Keery, but I don't see it myself, so yeah. I follow you, dude. You're like the best. You always make my days, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, of course. Yo! That is awesome! Dude, that is actually really awesome! Holy shit! Sorry!
Hey, what's up? Can I draw you?
Hi. What?
Can I draw your picture?
Sure.
Just takes me a few minutes.
Wait, are you actually like gonna draw it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Oh, I forgot your,
Oh, my little eyeliner. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I think I
welcome.
followed you already. But thank you.
All right, well, you have yourself a great night.
You too.
See ya.
Yes, sir. What are you doing? Are you a graphic designer? What do you do?
I'm drawing people tonight.
No way. You're lying.
No.
What?
Let me draw you real quick.
That ass for real? Let's see it. Let's see it.
Yeah. So is there any TikTok famous people that you would consider a 10?
Oh, I'll show you this girl. Her name is Jushika. She's so pretty. She's my #1 crush. Jushika is literally the prettiest girl ever, dude. I cannot. Oh my god, I shouldn't be saying this, but yeah. Oh my god. It's like one of those things where like you see a pretty person and like you look at them and you're like, wow. Like that's just art, you know? Like that's just pure art.
Yeah.
That's my thing. No way! That's me! Dude! I love you, John! Yo! Follow John Martinez on TikTok! What are y'all doing?
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed those videos. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this every week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.